Hello my dear students, welcome back in EVS classes. I am Jagpreet Kaur, your EVS teacher. Dear students, as you know that we have started the revisions. Okay, in the previous videos I have explained you the important terms. So today we will do the revision of chapter number 3, that is parts of our body. Okay, so let's start. So as you know that there are the two types of the body parts. First is the external body parts and another is the internal body part. What is external body part? External body part are those body parts that we can see from our eyes. Okay, so for example, your eyes, first let's write your external body part. Okay, external body parts. Okay, so the first is eyes, nose, okay, then mouth, okay, then fourth, hands, fifth is legs. Okay, so these are some examples of the external body parts. Okay, what are these? The external body parts are those that body part that we can see from our eyes. For example, eyes, nose, mouth, hands, okay, legs. So these are the examples of the external body parts. Now what is the function of it? What are the functions? Okay, so the function of eye is to see the things. Okay, whatever the things are present around us, we can see them easily from our eyes. So that is the function of the eye is to see. Then the function of the nose to smell. Okay, by smelling the things we can know whether that smell is a good smell or a bad smell. Okay. Then the mouth. Mouth happens to speak. Okay, and also to eat. To eat the things, eat the food. Okay. Then hands. Hands are used to do work, to hold the things, to write. Okay. So many things that we can do from our hands to do work. Okay. The same way the legs. Legs help us to walk and to run, to stand also. Okay. The function of the eye is to see, nose to smell, mouth to speak or eat, hands to do work, legs walk, run and stand. Okay. Now next is your internal body parts. Internal body parts. Okay. Internal body parts. Now what is internal body parts? Internal body parts are those body parts that we cannot see from our eyes and are present inside our body. Okay. So for example, first is brain. Okay. Then second is heart, third is lungs, fourth is liver, okay, then fifth is stomach, okay, then sixth is your kidneys. Okay, so first brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach and the kidneys. So these are the examples of internal body parts. Okay, now what are the functions of it? The function of the brain is to control body part. Okay, it maintain the balance of the body parts. Okay, we walk, we run, and we are doing so many works. Okay, our internal organs are also performing the functions. So everything is controlled by the brain. Okay, so this is the brain controls our body parts. Heart. What is the function of the heart? Is to pump the blood. To pump the blood. Okay, it pumps the blood to the various part of our body. Now third one is the lungs. What is the function of the lungs? It helps to breathe. It helps to breathe, means the exchange of the gases takes place here. Okay, carbon dioxide goes out, it exhales out, and the oxygen comes in. Okay, it inhales it. Then liver. Liver helps in digestion. It helps in digestion. Okay, and liver is the biggest. It is the largest organ in our body. Liver is the largest organ in our body, and it helps in digestion. Stomach stores the food. And it also helps in digestion. Okay, stomach stores the food and it also helps in digestion. Kidneys, the function of the kidney is to purify the blood. Okay, whatever the waste product is there in the blood, so the kidney purifies the blood, means it removes all the waste from the blood. So it is a filter of our body. Okay, removes waste. Okay, so the kidney removes waste. Okay, internal body parts are those which we cannot see from our eyes and present inside our body. Brain controls body part. Controls body part. Okay, all the body parts. And heart pump the blood. Lungs breathe. It helps in breathing. Okay, exchange of the gases takes place. Then the liver helps in the digestion. Stomach stores the food and it also helps in the digestion of the food. The sixth one is the kidney removes the waste from the body and it is a filter of our body. Okay, now the next, how animals use their body parts. So some animals have body parts which are similar to that of humans and perform the same functions. So some of the animals, they have the body parts which are similar to that of the humans and they perform the same functions also. However, animals differ from humans in many ways. Animals such as the horse, cow, sheep, pig eat with their mouth and hear with their ears. But they do not have hands. Instead, they have 4 legs. Humans are having hands, but the animals are having 4 legs. They walk, run, or gallop with their feet. Birds and butterflies fly with their wings. So, the butterfly and the bird, they fly with the help of their wings in the sky. So, as you have seen that the butterfly and the bird, they fly in the sky with the help of their wings. Next, fish do not have arms and legs. They swim with the help of their fins and tails. So, the fins of the fish helps the fish to swim under the water, and their tails helps the fish to change the direction. And fish breathe with their gills. Fish are not having lungs, they have gills, and from gills they can breathe. An elephant uses its trunk to take food into its mouth when it is thirsty. It sucks water through its trunk and blows it into its mouth. Taking care of the body. To stay healthy, we must look after our body and keep it free from germs. Germs live and grow in dirt and can make us fall sick. To keep the germs away, we should take a bath daily with soap and water. Wash hands before eating. Keep fingernails short and dirt free. Keep the hair clean and brush your teeth twice a day. Means brush our teeth in the morning and before going to sleep at night. Some other tips to keep our body healthy are: eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, you should eat the fresh fruits and the fresh vegetables. Drink milk. Milk is also very important, okay, for healthy bone growth. So we should have the milk. Wear clean clothes. Neat and clean clothes we should wear after the bath, and we should also do the exercise daily. So this is all for today. If you like today's lecture, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video, I will come with a new chapter. Okay, so till then, keep learning, stay safe and stay healthy.